Should you use a script for your videos? Coming up on ZHT Media. Hello, this is Zachary from ZHT Media. Today we are going to talk about using scripts or not using scripts. Something like to be or not to be. Well, in this case, it's your choice whether you want to use a script or not. I can recommend using a script. Why? Because a script is a piece of paper or a tablet or where you are using your script on to know exactly what you need, what you want to say, things you really not need to forget, and also some other very important things for your video, because you don't want to mess up. So yeah, from my point of view, no, not from my point of view, but for my channel ZHT Media, but also Zachary 3D Prints and Zachary Think, I'm not using a script. Also no, not the other two channels, Zachary PS Gaming and Cooking with Zachary. Those two channels, I'm not putting too much focus on that because those channels are nice to do. Gaming, it's not so difficult. You record something and then I can post it on Zachary PS Gaming channel. If you like gaming and gameplay on a PlayStation, then consider visiting that channel and also subscribe to that channel. Thank you for subscribing to my gaming channel. But now back to ZHT Media. A few reasons why I'm not using a script. Not that I don't want to use it, but the thing is, when I'm writing a script, it takes time. So basically the time I do want to have, but I don't have. I'm working full-time, 40 hours plus. I need to do some things at home, and then in the evening I can start recording or do things with YouTube channels. But then if I'm going to write a script, I did it one time with 5 things I wanted to know before starting on YouTube. That video, I will put a link in the corner. That one I did write a script for, but I never finished the script. I did finish the video, as you can see, but I couldn't finish the script. Why? Because when I was writing the script, it took me a lot of time. Because I had this idea, I want to work that out, and then some other things came to it, and then I didn't have the time to really get one script out. Maybe 75% of the script was finished, but then also not what do I need? Do I need a tripod? Do I need some lighting? Do I need a microphone? This kind of things. So for me, that is the reason why I'm not using a script at this moment. When I'm having more time, when I'm going more into the YouTube video, making content on YouTube and less full-time work, then my time is more and I can also create more scripts. Then I can have the time to make some scripts, do some proper research, give you guys everything you need to know for starting your own YouTube channel, and also maybe make business with your YouTube channel. But then we are going to touch the topic, why using a script? Using a script is a basic guideline for your channel, for your video content that you want to put out. For example, if you are on a recording day on the Saturday or a Sunday, in my case, I'm using the Saturday or the Sunday to create new videos. So during the week, on Monday or Tuesday, you can create some ideas, create some content, and you go write down on a piece of paper what do you want to do, what do you want to say, and then you are going to fine-tune it. you make some key points, you make some notes, what you need. For example, if you are putting a link in the description or a link in the video for if you point people to some links. When you also use a script is for the things you need. For example, a microphone, some light, some maybe background. In this case, I'm not having the green screen behind me because it's also nice to see what my living room is looking like. But also tripods. You cannot imagine going maybe out of the house and think about it, that after 100 miles you don't have a tripod, or you don't have a ring light, or you forget to bring a microphone with you. So in that case, when you have a Joby Gorilla Pod 1K, you can use that tripod also hanging or attaching to a tree or to a pole. I will put a link in the description for this tripod buying on Amazon. I believe that the tripod was $36 on Amazon. So please click the link if you want to have this tripod as well. I will put also the review about the tripod also in the description, so you can see what tripod it is, because it's a very nice one, it's a decent one, and you can use it practically everywhere. So, but okay, back to the things you need. So when you have all the things written down on your paper for your script, then you have a guideline through all of your video recording. So on the day of recording, for example on the Saturday, you can watch, do I have everything? Do I have the tripod? Do I have the microphone? Do I have lightning? Do I have all the things that I need? And what am I going to tell? Sorry, that was the backlight. So when you are going to record a video, you can look to your script between the takes, and then you see, oh, this I need to tell, this I need to tell, okay. And then you start your recording, and then you tell what things you want to tell the people about your niche or niche. And when you're done with your take, maybe you need one take or multiple takes, but then when you know exactly what you want to tell, then you can say it over and over again in different kind of takes. When done, you take off the thing that you already said and continue through your script. Also, when recording a B-roll or doing some other important things for your video, then this script is a huge benefit to your content creation on YouTube. So, question of the day: are you using a script on your videos or not? Put a comment below. So, little wrap up for this video. Yes, it's very recommended to use a script, but if you for some reason don't have the time to use a script, take the time to record over and over again to make the most perfect video that you want to bring out on YouTube. So that was it for today's video. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel ZHT Media. See you next time, and bye bye.